everyone, I'm Shih Yun. I'm really excited to share with you my tools and my artistic process. I love to use unconventional tools such as brooms, mops, remote control cars, rollerblades, and this little robot here. This robot makes really interesting marks because of its random nature. In a bit, I'm going to share with you how I built this robot and also attach the brushes to show how this little robot paints. I use unconventional tools to paint because I'm interested in the idea of chance, gesture, and spontaneity in art making. Now that we have finished building the robot, I'm going to show you how I attach the Chinese brushes on the legs of the robot. We just need the brush, put it here, and then we put some tape. The next one, and the last one. We can put it either hole. Then we check whether it's balanced. Then we switch it on. As you can see, the movement of the robot is pretty much out of my control. The robot's movements are random and unpredictable, thereby playing up the element of chance and spontaneity that I seek in my work. Now let's see the robot in action. We'll dip the brushes with the Chinese ink. You can use any water-based paints as well. Using tools like remote control cars and robots to paint means that the act of painting is not in my hands. Therefore, I am indirectly asking the question, if an artwork is not created by hand by an artist, can we still call it art? Observe how speed affects gesture, which affects energy and the resulting paint strokes. A faster robot will create different strokes from a slower robot. Imagine how a dancer or a boxer moves their arms. What type of strokes will they create? Imagine using a very long stick to make a brush stroke. How much control will you have? Some artists are interested in realism, some in social commentary. As an artist, I am interested in chance and abstraction, and the relationship between speed, gesture, and control. Some of my exhibitions have featured paintings made entirely by robots, without a single stroke added by me. Remember at the start of this video, I asked the question, if an artwork is not created by hand by an artist, can we still call it art? What do you think?